So I had this crazy thought of using a laser welder to see if it actually can weld two pieces of plastic together. We'll see if it actually works. So the idea behind this for me was that you've seen those plastic welders that have been able to weld plastic together. It looks like a soldering iron, and it's just heating up the plastic and then it's molding it into a pool that then when it cools it solidifies and it's welded together. So let's see if this does that. Get my safety glasses on. I get it at 50 watts of power. Of course, no wire feed. Okay, 50 watts ain't doing anything. Let's go to 100 watts. Ooh. Doing something, but I don't know if it's doing it underneath the... Smells like burnt plastic. Holy crap. It actually welded it. Look at that. That's actually welded joint. Let's go to like 150. 150 watts. I mean, it's welding it. Maybe I'm too low on the watts. Let's put it up to, heck, 300. Now, I don't know really what plastic this is. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool? But that's actually welding it. Look at that. Actually melting plastic. I don't know what's popping. I think 300 watts might be too much, in that it's welding it. Let's go down to 250. I mean, that's melting two pieces of... Let's see if what... Of course, it might be brittle, but... Actually... Probably should have waited, but... You can see... It's actually melting those things together. Using the circle function on this, to try to get the heat to swirl. It's still cool. I'm using nitrogen as a shield gas right now. I think that the black's just from my weld table. But this direction, I mean, that's pretty strong in that direction. Granted, in the bending direction, I mean, it looks like it's, I think if I welded that whole thing, it might be pretty neat. Let's go on this side. I'm gonna go back down to, like, I'm at 250. Let's go down to 200. Just kind of tack it in some places here. Just like if you were gonna weld a piece of metal. Really don't know what that popping is. Well, that's a whole sheet of, let's see what this says. Nylon. Just saw it on there. Huh. Tell at the end there I got, because of the gap, I got hot. But wow. I mean, that's pretty strong. Wow. I think I could break it. Because see, some of that I didn't get really welded too well, but That's actually pretty impressive. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to try other things to see what I can weld with this, so subscribe for more. Thanks.